Hello you guys, Sports Fan Noah TV here. A few days ago I purchased a Spawn box break. I picked the Arizona Cardinals. I gotta get some running out of cards. And I couldn't find my camera to open on video, so I was just doing this recap. So starting off with the Carson Palmer. Stephon Taylor rookie, he hasn't really been doing the best. Andre Roberts. Let me see what. There it goes. I'm using my phone, so nicer camera. Daryl Washington. He's actually doing a signing at a furniture store today. Might go to it. Jonathan Cooper rookie. I wish him the best in his recovery. Kevin Minter rookie. Yeah. Andre Ellington rookie. He's been doing really good this year. I think I believe he should be the starting running back. Ryan Swoop rookie. He had to retire because of concussion issues from college. Patrick Peterson. Tyrann Mathieu rookie. One of my favorite rookies this year. My only numbered card I got is this pink Andre Roberts. And it is numbered 193 of 399. Arizona Cardinals team card. Alex Okafor rookie. And then finishing off with a Larry Fitzgerald. So yeah, not really the best, no hits, but that Andre Roberts pink was really nice. And then the Matthew was a nice one. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Keep tuning out for more videos. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe if you liked it. And have a wonderful day. Bye you guys.